Elections in J&K will be held in 3 phases. So this is a shorter period. This is a much shorter period, much shorter than even the parliamentary elections, which were 5. 20th of August, just the next day of the Amarnath Yatra being complete, the 19th, would be the date of notification for the first phase, nominations till 27th, scrutiny on the next day 28th, and date of poll will be 18th of September, and it's a Wednesday. We are also keeping that in mind, not keeping Fridays and Mondays to give a longer holiday spell. Second phase would be on 29th of August, and the statutory period of nominations and all, poll being on 25th of September. And phase 3, nomination on 5th of September, and every voting finishing on 1st of October. So, counting would be on 4th of October, and everything would be over, bind up on 6th of October. We can show you the map also. It's how the scheduling is being done. The yellow portion is first. The yellow portion would have the districts of Kishtwar, Ramban, Doda on this side, Jammu side, and Anantnag, Pulwama, Shopian, and Kulgaon in the valley. The second phase would be Gandarbal, Srinagar, Badgaon in the valley side, and on the Jammu side, Poonch, Rajouri, and Riyasi. And then the forces move up. So North Kashmir in the upper regions, and also the Jammu and Udhampur, Samba, and the Kathua region. This is what would be the schedule there. If we come to the schedule of Haryana, Haryana would be in the last phase, exactly coinciding with the third phase of J&K, nomination being on 5th of September, last date of making nomination on 12th of September, date of poll 1st October, and date of counting coinciding with J&K on 4th of October, everything to be over on 6th of October. So friends, and through you, we appeal to all the voters of Haryana and J&K to participate in largest possible number in the festival of democracy.